Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create and run Streamlit applications. Let's first create a new folder and call it Streamlit app. I will use VS Code to create and edit my Python files. For that, let's first open the folder we created. And then here we will create a new Python file. Let's call it app.py, and I will firstly import the Streamlit library. And then the first function we will use is to set the page configuration. And let's change page title for now. First Streamlit app. And before running, we need to save this file. And I'm going to use Anaconda prompt. You can use CMD as well. Let's cd to desktop and our folder, and here we will write Streamlit run app.py. This command creates new local host, which will host our Streamlit application. And as you can see in the browser tab, it's written first Streamlit application. So any edit you do to the app.py file, it will show up in here. For example, let's change first to second. And we go back to the browser, we can click the rerun function or just refresh the page, and the name of the page has been changed. This is how to run Streamlit applications. Thank you very much.